In this lesson, I'd like to discuss the structures of the liver. Now, in the liver, we will discuss this in digestive system, but we want to give you guys some of the major structures, and they're not too bad. Generally, most of what you're going to learn here, you'll learn on most levels. Now, there are a lot more structures, but you'll continue on with this and be a good basis for what you're going to do. And I'm going to begin with looking at the lobes of the liver, and then some structures, and we'll kind of fill in some things as we go along. Now, there are 4 lobes, and on this view, this anterior view of the liver, we can see 2. Now, before we really talk about it, we need to give a structure that separates the lobes of the liver, and I'm going to draw it in red here, and it's a little bit of peritoneum, and I'm going to draw this structure in here. This is the falciform ligament, and the falciform ligament is the structure that we will use to separate the 2 lobes of the liver. So this lobe, and in class you guys would probably color this in. This one here is the right lobe. And then here I'm going to use purple to outline our left lobe. Now, of course, we still have our falciform ligament here in the middle. But that is not the only structure we refer to as being a ligament, and I will show you this next one 2 times. We're going to use blue. I'm going to draw right here, coming in this area here. We'll have what is called the round ligament, or the ligamentum teres. In the AMP2 level, this is what we will call it. You will see they'll give it another name since it's found in the liver. It used to be the umbilical vein. And then it dries up after you are an adult. After you were born, it dries up since you're no longer being supplied by your mother's umbilical cord. Now, lastly in green, sitting about here, we'll have the gallbladder coming in. And I can color the gallbladder in fairly easily on the iPad. And our gallbladder can usually be seen here. Now, there are other structures that you will see coming off the liver, but typically speaking, this is the bulk of what you're going to see on the anterior view. We'll look at an inferior view in the next video, but hopefully this helps you understand the structures of the liver. Thank you.